Welcome back, crafters, to our weekly craft giveaway. Before I show you this week's freebie, I want to show you this beautiful card sent in by our exclusive designer, Julie Hutchins. The cup number for this card is cup 948-926_1483, and it's called Birthday Chockies. The kit contains 4 sheets, a card front with captions on here, and there's one empty so you can put your own caption on there. We've got the tags and the insert there, and then we've got the decoupage sheet as well. You can make this kit as an 8x8 card, or you can get crafty and turn the design into a 6x6 easel card. Julie has taken the main card image and used a 6x6 card, mountain folded to make a fun easel card, just like this one. She has got very crafty and creative and added these stunning extras. I'm not sure if you can see there, look, she's got a die cut butterfly there. We've got some beautiful flowers there with little pearls on the top, a button there. She's got a die cut bow at the side there. I just think that this is, again, just absolutely stunning. It's the little things that make the card absolutely stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. This costs just £1.20, is exclusive to Craftsuprint, and is perfect for anyone who likes chockies. Julie has lots of lovely designs, so make sure you follow her to get all her latest releases. Okay, next I want to show you how to sell the things you make from CUP and get 100% of the sale. Thank you, Crafty Bob, for that helpful tutorial. Okay, crafters, it's freebie time, and this week's fab freebie is by Sandie Burchell and is called Girl Teddies 3D card kit. This is a 6-sheet kit and comes with lots of different sentiments and numbers for you to personalise your card. Here is the finished card. Lots of teddies having fun. Okay, it's over to Sandie in Las Vegas, USA, who's going to show you how to make this week's freebie. Over to you, Sandie.
Hello, my name is Sandie Burchell and I'm a designer at Craftsuprint.com. I'd like to demonstrate for you today how to make one of my 3D cards. This one's called Girl Teddies and the cup number is cup 128403_425. The tools that you'll need to make this card are very simple. Just a pair of scissors, a pair of decoupage scissors, some 3D pads and a glue stick. Although the card looks quite complicated, it really is very simple and easy to make. In fact, I think my dog could do it, it's that simple. Actually, I don't have a dog, but if I did have one, what I meant to say was, I think even my husband could do it. Probably get into trouble for that later, but never mind. Right, so when you buy the kit from Craftsuprint, you get 6 sheets in the kit. This one I've actually printed onto card. This is 200 GSM or £110. I personally prefer to use photo paper, and this is glossy photo paper and is 260 GSM. I just think it makes the colours look far more vibrant, but it's your preference. So once you've printed out your 6 sheets, cut everything out, including all the white spaces, the slots, etc. And then what you'll do, there's 2 pieces. So this one, for instance, you've got 2 pieces, and you'll just glue them back to back with the glue stick. Very simple. So then you'll end up with these pieces here. So altogether you'll have 5 pieces. Okay. The main tent of the card, that I call it, has got it's slightly different one side than the other, because it's got the sentiment panel on the back. You should make sure that when you fold it, that sentiment panel is on the back, and that's where you can write who the card is from. Okay, so the first thing to do is to score and fold where indicated, and what I like to do on the folds is to actually take this tool. This is my scoreboard tool, but you can use a ruler or anything like that, and just press firmly on the creases, so it just gives a more professional finish on this part of the card. And on the other pieces, it just makes it easier to actually thread them through the slots. Okay, so you'll take your first piece, and I've folded this one already, and if you just fold this down, and you've got to go through the slot in both the front and the back of the tent card. So you'll thread your table through, you'll open your tent out, and then on the back you just pull down on the tabs. Then that actually locks the table into place. The first piece to then slot in is the back piece, and I just curve it slightly on the back edge, just to give it a balance so that it stands up straight. Okay, now this is the most awkward piece that you're going to have to thread through, and the easiest way that I've found to do it is to actually just thread one corner into the slot first. So I hold the card like this, and I just put the first corner in first, and then the second one just follows through quite easily. And then at the bottom of the card you just open out the tabs. Hope you can see that through there. Okay, and then the next piece to thread through is the largest piece, and this goes right next to the front of the card. So again, you need to fold your tabs in, make sure you've got quite a crisp fold, because then it does make it easier to actually get it through the slot. And I'm going to try and do this backwards. So you just pop it through there, just press down on it, and then you open out these tabs, and these are the tabs that actually keep your table straight and carries the weight of the decoupage, etc. By the way, for this demonstration I've actually put the decoupage already on the pieces, so that it doesn't take me as long to actually do the demonstration, but you can leave the decoupage until last if you want to. But I think it's probably easier to do it, while you've got your piece flat. On this front panel, the decoupage of the little pink security blanket is actually, all of the decoupage is put on with 3D pads, but I've just left the bottom piece of the blanket free, because that actually goes into the slot, and if you've got the 3D pad on the bottom, it does tend to stop it from going into the slot. So you just, on this one, just basically put it through the slot like that, and there's your card. There's several sentiments included in the kit. I've chosen the happy birthday one, but there's another 7 there, and there's also a blank one where you can put your own peel off lettering on. And there's also 6 age numbers, 1 through 6. You could leave that off if you wanted, and send this to anyone. It doesn't have to be for a child. I think I was collecting teddies up until I was about 35 years old, and it wasn't until my daughter said to me, I think she was about 4 years old at the time, she said, "Mum, can I play with your teddies?" And I said, "No." And I thought, well, this is silly, because all they're doing is collecting dust. So anyway, in the end, I said to my husband, don't buy me any more teddies. Let my daughter play with the ones that I had. And then I started collecting doll's house stuff. So no difference really. I'm just a child at heart. Okay, so that's the finished card. Again, the CUP number for this card is CUP 128403_425. There's also an envelope available for this card. In the kit there's 2 envelopes. You've got this nicely patterned one and also a plain one. The card folds completely flat, and I'll show you how to do that. If you just pull down on the tabs so that they sort of like straight out, and then pull down on that same sheet, because this is quite a new card, it does do it well when the card's actually dried. So it folds flat just like that. As you can see, the table comes up. The card on the photo paper, it does take about 48 hours to dry actually, but when it does dry, this one I probably did about 50-60 hours ago, it's really rigid. So just be wary that if you are sending it through the post, it could be a bit floppy if you're sending it straight away, but if you wait for 48 hours, I'm sure there'll be no problems with it. So once a person actually receives the card, all they need to do is just open it out like that, no problem. And there's your finished card. If you'd like to take a look at some more of my 3D designs, I've got lots of them. These are just a few of them. I think I've got one for just about any occasion now. And please go and have a look at them at www.craftsuprint.com/Sandie Burchell. And while you're over there, you might want to go and search for Crafty Bob and win yourself some money at the same time. I really appreciate you watching this demonstration. I've really enjoyed doing it, and I hope that you'll tune in for the next one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sandie. That was very helpful. Make sure you follow Sandie on CUP to see more of her stunning exclusive designs. Remember, if you don't have a printer, Crafty Bob will print your freebie for free. Okay, crafters, that's all from me this week. I do hope you've enjoyed our show. Remember to click on Bob to subscribe and share this fun freebie with all your crafting friends. Please share, 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 and share some more. See you next week. Bye-bye.
One way is to go to the Craftsuprint website. Click on the free stuff at the top. Click here to get your freebie. Next, scroll down and enter your email address here. Then confirm your email and click Submit. We will then send you your fun freebie. If you don't have a printer, or if you're having trouble downloading from your mobile device, don't worry, Crafty Bob will print the sheets for you for free. Simply click on the Add to Cart button here and check out in the normal way. A small postage charge will be added and every printed weekly giveaway will receive a free £3 craft gift. Another way to get your freebie is from your dashboard. Let me log in. After you log in, click on Freebies, bottom left. Then click on Weekly Giveaway. You can download your freebie here by clicking on Click here to download.